Hello students, welcome back again to our online classes from LPM Public School situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. This is your subject teacher of maths and today I am here with a next topic from chapter number 5, addition and subtraction up to 20. So students, in our previous video we learnt about addition. So students, there we know how to add 2-digit and 1-digit number. Now we are going to discuss about subtraction. So students, first of all, do you know the meaning of subtraction? Subtraction means to reduce, to take away. So without wasting your time, take out your maths book and open page number 67 from your textbook. So students, today we are going to discuss about the topic counting backwards to subtract. So students, in addition we count forward, while in subtraction we have to count backward. So you have to remember this. To subtract any number, we have to go backward. So, look at your book. Grandma has 15 coconut laddus. Appu ate one. Mini ate one. So, 2 laddus have been eaten. How many laddus are left? So, students, here look, a picture of coconut laddu is given here. So students, grandma has made 15 coconut laddus, and from that coconut laddus Appu ate one and Mini also ate one. So 2 laddus have been eaten by Appu and Mini. Now you have to tell the numbers of laddu which are left. So to know the answer of this question, we have to subtract 15 with 2. So students, first of all you have to write this in vertical form. 1 at tens place and 5 at ones place, and you have to write 2 below the 5. Now students, first of all we have to look at place of ones. So here we have to subtract 5 minus 2, then we get the number 3. Now at tens place 1. Here 1 is written, no other number is given, so you have to write 1 same as. So when we subtract 15 and 2, we get the number 13. Now we have to show this sum by using number strip. So look here, rabbit is set on the number strip. So first step to do this, we have to draw a number strip. Then look at the first number that is given or biggest number. In subtraction students, you have to write the biggest number at front and smallest number after. While in addition, you can write any number at front, but in subtraction that is not possible. So students, first of all, first number or biggest number, that is 15. So you have to put your pencil at number 15. Now we have to subtract 2 from 15. So to subtract 2, we have to count backward 2 step. So students, let's do this. 1 and 2. Now you reach at number 13. So students, here answer will be 13. So you have to do this question by using number strip like this. Now let's come to the question number G. So students, here you have to subtract using the number strip. So students, as I explained you here how to subtract the using the number strip. So let's do the question number 1. 17 minus 3. Students, here first question is 17 minus 3. So first of all, we have to look at biggest number, that is 17. So students, look at this number strip here. 17, you have to start from 17. Now how many step we have to count backward? 3. Yes, so let's get started. 1, 2 and 3. So students, when we count 3 backward, we get the number 14. Which number we get? We get the number 14. So you have to show this sum like this in your notebook. Now look at the next one. 16 minus 5. So students, here the biggest number is 16. So where we have to put our pencil? Yes, at 16. Then we have to count backward 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So which number we reach or we get? Yes, 11. So here answer will be 11. You have to fill here. So students, similarly in third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8 question, you have to do same process or same steps. Now look here, a value for me. Appan has made 11 kinds of sweets. Aslam has made 6 kinds of sweets. So students, look at this picture. This is Appan and this is Aslam. Both are selling sweets. So students, Appan made 11 kinds of sweets and Aslam made 6 kinds of sweet. Now let's do the question related to the statement. Who has made more sweets and by how much? So students, we have to tell who has made more sweets, Appan or Aslam, and how much. So students, as you know that Appan made 11 kinds of food and Aslam made 6 kind of sweets. So students, greater number is 11. So Appan made more sweet than Aslam. So to know by how much, so we have to subtract 11 with 6. Students, 11 minus 6. So students, when we subtract 11 with 6, we get 5. So students, Appan made 5 kinds of sweets more than Aslam. So you have to write here Appan by 5 more kinds of sweet in the given blank. Now next question. From whom will you buy sweets? Why? Now students, if you have to buy sweets from Appan and Aslam, so from whom will you buy sweets and why? You have to do this yourself. Okay? Now you have to do the question number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 by using number strip in your notebook. Now your turn to study it and grasp it. Till then, keep practicing, keep learning and keep smiling. Thank you students. Bye and take care.